Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Fort Worth, Southwest. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, 24-hour front desk, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This Extended Stay America, Fort Worth, Southwest is located in Fort Worth and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, Fort Worth is equipped with a stovetop, microwave and a fridge. The hotel also provides guests with laundry, ironing facilities and upgraded bedding with extra pillows. Weekly housekeeping services are provided for free and daily provided for a fee. The property offers grab-and-go breakfast, free on-site parking and free local phone calls. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Cultural District, the Fort Worth Zoo and the Stockyards and Stockyard Station. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.